Hey friends, it's the Alfa Romeo. I'm welding up the wheelhouse, the half of the outer wheelhouse on both sides. And I'm going to show you just the kind of positioning that I'm getting myself into. Let's see here. Okay. First of all, let me show you this. Sitting in that chair, this is when you earn your money welding. Sometimes you got to get in fun positions to weld. So I'm sitting down, okay, and coming down, getting upside down, and this is the position I'm in. Going through, welding this up, and it's only about 6 inches away, so my head is all laying down flat. It's rather difficult to do. Yep. Rather tough, but it's worth it. It's all fun and games. So if you want to be a welder, you got to learn all these weird positions to get into. And this is butt welding curved sheet metal, upside down and vertical. So it's real easy. Some of the bubbas I've had working for me, there's no way in hell they could do this. But I know one guy who can, Kevin Zitlow, one of my old Army buddies. Anyways, see ya. Tschüss.